So kind of a catch-22. A lot of people want to cool off from this
Yep.
heat. They're going down to the beach, but you got to be careful when you're near that water.
And we still have some concerns going into the weekend. I want to talk about why we keep getting these southerly swells and why the surface is probably going to be risky going into the weekend. But first, I have to cover the details for why we're still in first alert status. We did 100 degrees inland today. We got to get through really the next few hours. Even tomorrow, the heat advisory is going to stay in effect for the South Bay. But by tomorrow night, it'll be over because of this. Look what's going on down here. We get that wide view. Take a look down the coast. This is a classic southerly surge. Watch the marine layer build its way up the coast, curl into Monterey Bay, and within about 4 hours, it's going to do the same thing up here, and it's going to curl into the bay, for the San Francisco Bay. I want to step it down and show you how this is likely going to go when we look at it for us. Come back home to the bay, and we're going to play that same satellite on there. Clouds are just barely showing up down there now. And if we take it from that, look at it creeping up the San Mateo County coastline. Why are we looking at this? Because this is how you break heat waves here. Technically a term, it's a southerly surge in the marine flow. And that's going to start to fill back into the bay by tomorrow morning. Now, we're not going to wake up to an all-out June gloom day, but we are going to wake up tomorrow morning with a little bit of the marine layer. There we are at 5 a.m. Peninsula is going to see it. Certainly right through the Golden Gate will see it. The beaches will see it. And tomorrow, we are going to be cooler. Still going to be hot tomorrow. I can't stress it enough. There's still a heat advisory for the South Bay and the inland East Bay tomorrow. In fact, I can show you what that looks like, even with the marine layer on there. That heat advisory doesn't expire until tomorrow night. Notice it's not along the coast anymore, but it does include part of the city where it got up to 81 degrees today. We were looking at that a moment ago. Let's switch from where the heat advisory is to what the actual temperatures will be, and we're going to switch, instead of looking at where the contours are on here for daytime highs tomorrow, or I should say for today, what we want to see is where those daytime highs are going to land for tomorrow. So we'll switch for the contours tomorrow, and we'll put the actual numbers on. Put the actual numbers on for that so that you can pick out where you're going to be for your part of the bay. I'll get out of the way. It's still hot, I know, but it's better. We're not going to be threatening 100 degrees anymore. But it's still going to be 93 in downtown San Jose. It's still going to be 96 tomorrow in Livermore. You're at 100 today. 93 in Concord. You're at 100 today. All right, the big numbers was in the 80s today in San Francisco, so we'll get you down into the low 70s tomorrow. That's a good, noticeable improvement there. And you'll see in the 7-day forecast, we're not going a whole lot lower than these numbers after this. But at least we're not going back to today. Today was a one-day thing. From a heat standpoint, it will get better. It's good news. If you take a look at that beach hazard statement, there are a lot of advisories on this map right now when we look at it as a whole. We talked about the heat advisory, that's small craft advisory, gale warning, but it's the blue strip along the coast. That's what I want to draw your attention to. We've had so many stories statewide of people getting pulled into the surf. If we can take a look at the big monitor up there, it's one thing to see where the beach hazard statement is. It's another thing to at least understand it's not a typical swell. It's not like we've got big waves that are visible coming our way. What's happening are southerly swells coming to California from winter storms in the southern hemisphere near New Zealand. So this is wave energy that has traveled across the globe as a whole. We're not looking at wave heights here now. Now we're looking at wave period, which is the duration of time between those swells. Watch them coming up from the south. So this is very tricky because you'd think it's not winter. Where's all the wave energy coming from? And it's just fascinating to know. It's coming from the winter storms near New Zealand from about 6 days ago. That's how long it took to get here. It's been very active down there. And we're feeling it on our coast, which is why if you're going anywhere near the beach this weekend, it's going to be nice weather for it. We do have a beach hazard statement that expires tonight at 9. That's what we've got here. They're probably going to have to issue another one that will go through the weekend. So, and on top of that, we're getting some pretty high tide right now. We've got a new moon, which is pulling the waves higher. We even are getting some local inundation in the bay in the morning. We could do a whole 20 minutes on that. There's a lot going on off the coast right now. But of course, the more important story is reducing the heat, getting out of fire weather concerns. We're done with the red flag warning. The heat's going to take its time, one more day tomorrow. And then look, it gets better. I mean, those numbers are pretty much average. Those are the inland numbers. So that, I mean, there's a 78-degree day on there by the time we get to Thursday. And when we look at the 7-day forecast for the bay, the numbers are lower here as well after tomorrow. And then we'll even start bringing back more of the marine layer. How about that? Imagine that in June, we might even get more of the marine layer back.